Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a pleasure having you here again. Um, for all those who have subscribed to my channel, I'm so grateful. And for the new subscribers now, kindly hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to this channel. On this channel, we discuss things about um, how to make products that you can sell, how to make skincare products, how to make money online, how to promote your business online. That's what we do. And on today's video, we're going to be discussing how to make laundry bar soap for washing. When making soap, we have three ingredients to use. We have water, lye, which is also known as sodium hydroxide, and also known as caustic soda, and we have our oils. So in this washing soap, we're going to be using three oils, which are palm oil, palm kernel oil, and peanut oil. I'm also using soda ash. Soda ash will help the soap to be hard, will make it hard, and will also give it its washing to be able to wash your clothes well. Yeah, so I want to talk about the oils I'll be using in making the soap. For palm oil gives makes the soap hard, and it makes it to last longer. Then the palm kernel oil is also a hard oil, and it helps in foaming. It gives the soap the foaming qualities. Then peanut oil helps the soap to produce creamy lather. Yeah, so these three oils combined now we give the soap uh, qualities like a lasting bar and its foaming qualities. So, but if I was to make a bathing soap rather, I will use shea butter, skin loving oils like sunflower oil, and we have so many oils, tea tree oil, oils that will moisturize the skin. But since it's just a washing soap, I will use my palm oil, palm kernel oil, and peanut oil for this particular bar soap. And when bleaching, and before using your palm oil, you need to bleach it. So is it that you use heat or use the cold method? In the cold method, I'll use my sulfonic acid and my um, sodium no, um, hydrogen peroxide. Sorry, hydrogen peroxide and sulfonic acid when bleaching the oil without heat. So I will still put up a video or a tutorial on that, on how to um, bleach your oil without heat. Yes, I'll still put up a video on that. So um so let's just go into the video right now. How to make a laundry soap. Yes. Yeah, hello. So I'm back again. So we're going to be mixing the lye, soda ash, and water outside because of the corrosive nature of the lye. So this is our lye here. This is a 158 gram of lye. This is water, 380 gram of water. You can actually use any water of your choice. Then this is the soda ash that we'll be using for the soap, and it's very important that you use a measuring scale while measuring so that everything can be accurate. So lye is it's a very dangerous chemical, so it's very important you stay outside while mixing it. So let's start mixing right now. So I'm going to put my water here. I'll put water here. Then pour in the soda ash. This soda ash, I'll stir. Then finally I'll pour in the lye. The lye itself is, when you put it in itself, it starts producing fumes immediately. So you just stir. Stir properly. So because it's so hot, it's really hot now, I won't use it to produce the soap now. In fact, it's even producing fumes right now. So I'll stir properly. After stirring now, I'll just keep it aside for 24 hours before I use it again. I'll pour it in here. So I'll let it sit for 24 hours before I mix it with my oils. Yes, so that's it. So now I've measured my palm oil. I'm about to use it to make the soap. So this is sulfonic acid. I'll be pouring it into the oil. I'm about to bleach the oil. Then this is hydrogen peroxide, which I'll also use to bleach the oil. So I'll just pour it into the palm oil. Then after that, I'll stir it very well so that it will mix properly. Later I'll still put up the measurement below. So I'll stir it. This is cold way of bleaching the palm oil instead of heating. When you heat it, it's kind of, it just produces this smoke that is kind of irritating. So this is a better way of bleaching your palm oil. You just keep stir it, yeah. So after a while, you will see that the color of the oil will start changing. So yeah, just stir it. Then after I finish stirring, I add in the sulfonic acid. This sulfonic acid is usually used in the production of liquid soap. It helps with foaming. So we also use it in bleaching palm oil. So you can see I'm stirring it. You can see the color is changing. Yeah, you see it's changing. Just keep stirring it. You can see it's changing color. And you must bleach your palm oil before you use it in soap making. Very, very important. So you can see it's changing color. Yeah, so you can see now I've finished bleaching the oil, so it's ready for soap making. So you can see it is bleached. So this is a cold way of bleaching your soap. So yeah, I've measured out my groundnut oil, peanut oil, and palm kernel oil. Then this is the bleached palm oil. So I'm going to be combining the two of them into the bowl. Then that lye solution I mixed yesterday, I'll just add it into this oil, that lye solution. I had left it to stay for 24 hours. So you can see I'm adding it into the lye solution, and after that I'll stir it. I'll just stir it. I'll stir it till it becomes thick. Just keep stirring. This is, but when it gets to trace, this is what we call trace. When it thickens, it has gotten to the trace how it's supposed to be. They call it trace anyway when it gets thick. So at the point of thickening, we will then pour into the soap mold,
and let the soap sit for another 24 hours. It becomes, when you know it has done, you see it's getting really thick. Yeah, so I just keep stirring. We call it trace in soap making. Just when the soap is ready to be poured into the mold. So yeah, so you can see it's already, it has gotten thick now. So I'll just pour it into my soap mold. Yes, I'm using a trash bag and a wooden soap mold. So I've poured it into the soap mold now. So I'll just let it sit for 24 hours. I'll cover it up so it will be insulated. Yes, so this is the soap now. I'll just cover it up with the nylon. Just keep it in a cool area for it to, harden. So just put up a little design on top, and just keep it, let it sit for a while. So yeah, so now I'm done. I brought it out now. This is the okay, I've covered it, rather I just covered it, so I'll just keep it.
Yeah, so hello guys, welcome back.
So yeah, this is the next day now, and I've gotten the soap out. You can see it's now hard.
Stayed for 24 hours.
It's now hard, so I'll just cut it.
Now like really hard.
I'll cut it, put it in a tray.
So right now what we'll do
and let it just stay. It will be there for at least 4 to 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
So after
6 weeks now, it will be ready
the
for
6th week. It's ready to use. You can use it to wash your clothes, wash plates. This is a laundry soap.
What you
yes, this is a laundry soap for washing things.
Yes, so
you can see now it's hard now.
Laundry soap.
I'll just let it sit in the tray. Yeah, so guys, thank you all for watching this video. Please kindly like, comment and subscribe. I'm always available for any questions you have.
Subscribe and
so this is basically how to make a laundry bar soap. So you guys, I'm so grateful. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye.
So I'll just continue with cutting the soap. I'll cut it into square. Yes, so thank you all. Bye.